is a great honor and privilege to welcome you to Kòrsou for the second Caribbean Climate and Energy Conference. I want to thank each of you for making the journey to be here, whether from fellow Caribbean nations, South America, or from Europe and other parts of the world. Your presence here this week is testimony of our shared belief that climate change knows no borders, and that the solution to avert climate crisis must also be global endeavor. This conference is more than a gathering. It is a platform for urgent cooperation to accelerate action on the greatest challenge of our generation, climate change.
We, as leaders of our community, need to have a message that will ring with every citizen, with every company, with every institution in our nations. In that respect, I really believe that the common good could be the appeal that we can present in our nations. The common good could be the binding factor, so we can bring together nations and islands to see the threats of today and see also the opportunities of tomorrow.
Now it's time for a total destination change for the island in the Caribbean, especially the one in the Kingdom. Now it's time for a mindset shift towards regional empowerment and Kingdom cooperation. We are on the front line of climate change. That is where we are as islands. We are the front line of it. Not by choice, but by our geography.
Let us use this as an opportunity to advance the region.
So we need to pivot. We need to make a change. We need to pivot with purpose and refocus to increase reliability, affordability, and sustainability. We lead our people, so together we can lead Kòrsou into sustainable energy future by transforming ourselves.
Kòrsou believes in the power of collaboration. Let us make sure that the outcomes of this conference are not only rich in dialogue, but also strong in action. Teamwork is at the heart of great achievement. In the same spirit, I have the great pleasure of officially declaring the second Caribbean Climate and Energy Conference as opened.
Riba, mi isla no tiene nada mío pone. Orgulloso palombra, no quiera de ensombrar. Unión danos forza. No worry con nada que pasa rondo tipo. YDKU de Kòrsou no está y sépanos lo que da. Riba bon vibe, no está unite. Van así pompa nos haya vuelta sin nada.